what to expect when you talked about that safe space, meditative state. I think I went a little deeper than that briefly.
Right, okay. Did you drop off for a bit?
I think so.
Okay.
It's hard to know, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
But I do remember coming back to it
Right.
from, I don't know, sleep.
Yeah, yeah.
Which was kind of weird. It was good, really good.
How did you experience it? Did you?
In colours and
Right.
shapes.
Yeah. Which colours?
Quite a range.
Right.
Quite a lot of kind of orange and red.
Right.
Which is the colour of your eyelids.
Right.
In one way.
Yeah, yeah.
But the kind of the shifts and changes kind of made it clear it was more than that. And kind of shifted into white, but that was kind of strange. The white kind of came up
Right.
in my vision and then back down. That was when you were vocalising.
Right. Did you have any physical sensations that you were?
And there's more colour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Some of the shapes I was seeing were kind of shrinking and getting bigger and smaller.
Right.
And they were blue, purple, kind of colours.
Interesting.
Yeah. Physical sensations, yes. I could feel some twitching
Right.
muscle. Just kind of a quite quick contraction and relax.
Right. Nothing unpleasant?
No,
Okay.
no, nothing at all.
Good.
Yeah, and that in the meditative state, being able to really address some thoughts and ideas
Good.
and feelings without any kind of rise.
Yeah.
Exactly as I said,
Yeah.
the kind of sudden, overwhelming emotions
Yeah.
that often take me consciously when I can address them. Yeah.
So it felt safe.
Wasn't there? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it was really, I can see how that could be quite addictive. Wanting to go back to that state.
Yeah. It's extraordinary, isn't it?
Choosing it, and making it function.